The grey-eyed morn smiles on the frowning night, checkering the eastern clouds with streaks of light. And fleckled darkness like a drunkard reels from forth day's path and Titan's burning wheels. Now, ere the sun advance his burning eye, the day to cheer and night's dank dew to dry, I must upfill this osier cage of ours with baleful weeds and precious juiced flowers. The earth, that's nature's mother, is her tomb, and from her womb children of divers kind. Many for many virtues excellent, none but for some, and yet all different. Oh, mickle is the powerful grace that lies in plants, herbs, stones, and their true qualities. For naught so vile that on earth doth live, but to the earth some special good doth give. For aught so good but strained from that fair use revolts from true birth, stumbling on abuse. Virtue itself turns vice being misapplied, and vice sometimes by action dignified. Within the infant rind of this weak flower, poison hath residence and medicine power. For this being smelt with that part cheers each part, being tasted stays all senses with the heart. Two such opposed kings encamp them still, in man as well as herbs, grace and rude will. And where the worser is prominent, full soon the canker death eats up that plant. Good morrow, Father. Benedicte. What early tongue so sweet saluteth me? Young son, it argues a distempered head so soon to bid good morrow to thy bed. Care keep his watch in every old man's eye, and where care lodges, sleep will never lie. But where unbruised youth with unstuffed brain doth couch his limbs where golden sleep doth reign, therefore thy earliness doth assure me thou art uproused by some distemperature. Or if not so, then here I hit it right, our Romeo hath not been in bed tonight. The last is true, the sweeter rest was mine. God pardon sin, wast thou with Rosaline? With Rosaline, my ghostly father? No, I have forgot that name, and that name's woe. That's good, my son, but where hast thou been then? I'll tell thee, ere thou ask it me again. I have been feasting with mine enemy, where on a sudden one hath wounded me. That's by me wounded, both are remedies within thy help and holy physic lies. I bear no hatred, blessed man, my intercession likewise steads my foe. Be plain, good son, and homely in thy drift. Riddling confession finds but riddling shrift. Then plainly know, my heart's dear love is set on the fair daughter of rich cat. As mine on hers, so hers is set on mine, and all combined, save what thou must combine by holy marriage. When and where and how we met, we wooed, and made exchange of vow, I'll tell thee as we pass. But this I pray, that thou consent to marry us today. Holy Saint Francis, what a change is here! Is Rosaline that thou did love so dear, so soon forsaken? Young men's love then lies not truly in their hearts, but in their eyes. Jesu Maria, what a deal of brine hath washed thy sallow cheeks for Rosaline! How much salt water thrown away in waste to season love that of it doth not taste! The sun not yet thy sighs from heaven clears, thy old groans ring yet in many ancient ears. Lo, here upon thy cheek the stain doth sit, of an old tear that is not washed off yet. If e'er thou wast thyself and these woes thine, thou and these woes were all for Rosaline. And art thou changed? Pronounce this sentence then, women may fall when there's no strength in men. Thou chidest me oft for loving Rosaline, for doting, not for loving pupil mine, and badest me bury love, not in a grave, to lay one in, another out to have. I pray thee, chide not, her I love now, doth grace for grace, and love for love allow, the other did not so. Oh, she knew well thy love did read by rote that could not spell. But come, young waver, come, go with me. In one respect I'll thy assistant be, For this alliance may so happy prove to turn your household's rancor to pure love. Oh, let us hence. I stand on sudden haste. Wisely and slow, they stumble that run fast.